Hi guys, thanks a lot for your patience. This is a quick video to let you know how to replace these two parts. These are the two parts that is the locking assembly. We are going to change these parts. The very first thing that you need to do is to open the assembly, rotate this handle completely so that the big bolt comes out. Take out the handle, take out this part, press the bolt and release it. Simply remove this part. Do the same thing on the other end of the bike rack. These two parts will be separated out. Now just keep the smaller part here. This is the bigger part. We need to remove these two caps. Yeah, the second step is to remove these three parts, 1, 2 and 3, to take this assembly part out. You need to use a screwdriver. Simply pull this cap out. Use any pliers or any tool to simply open this. Take out the nut. Keep it safe because we need to assemble it back. This is a small black cap that you need to also remove. It's a little hard, but I'm sure you will be able to do it. No need to remove the other side cap. It is already in a dimple kind of a structure. And simply push this thing out. It may be tight in few of the bike racks, so you need to put a little more pressure or bang it with something. Anyways, you are going to throw it away. Now, put the new part in, replacing the old one. Make sure we are matching the hole. Repeat the same step on the other side of the U, and you end up replacing this part. This is all. Now you need to put things back on this particular one. So what all we removed? We removed this black cap, so we are putting it back. We removed this hook and the cam buckle. We are putting it back with the washer and the nut. And we are putting the cap back and putting the screw in it. This is the step 3. Now we picked up the smaller U and we are going to replace this particular part. Simply pull this part off, pick up the new part and fix it at the same position. It will be little tight, so you need to apply some pressure. I hope you will be able to do that. Apply pressure and check that this is perfectly mapping on the hole. Similarly, do it on the other side of this U. Now once you did this, you simply need to assemble both the things back. Alright, the final step is to assemble it back. Now we have replaced both the parts in both the U. Now we just need to put these two parts together. Pass the bolt through it. Similarly on the other end. Now the only part left is putting the cap and the handle back here. Right. This is the most trickiest part. We need to fix this handle on this assembly. First you need to remove this orange cap. Just press it from inside with anything. It'll come out. Now this is another important part that you need to fit inside the handle. From the top, put this part in, and it has got a through hole on which we need to fix this bolt. This is the trickiest part. So hold this bolt and try to put it on this bolt. You can just fix it and rotate the bolt from the back so that the threads goes into that metal part. Yep. Once you are done with it half the way, then you can simply rotate it to move it further. You can see that bolt is coming out from here. Put the cap back and you are done. This is how the part will look like after the assembly. This is how you are fixing it on your car boot. That's it, you are done. Thank you very much.